Hello everybody, my name is Arjun KB. I am working as an Odoo technical consultant at Apagen Solutions for the past 1 year. It has been a wonderful journey with Apagen Solutions. The work culture here is both collaborative and growth oriented. The colleagues and superiors are very much helpful for the professional growth of me. And also, a typical day at Apagen Solutions starts at 8 a.m. in the morning. So basically, I start with checking the mails for messages from the client, and we will have a stand-up meeting with our team members to coordinate who should do what's a part of the project, and also what is the priority cases to cleaned up and fixed. And if needed, we will customize the project codes or the modules in Odoo, or else we will if it is needed, we will create new modules also, and we will push the code to Git. And before end of the day, we will have another stand-up meeting to review the cases which all we are fixed, and plan for the next day. And the day usually end by 5 o'clock in the evening, which gives us more space to learn and innovate in our own fields or our hobbies. And also, in the cases which I have dealt, or the industries which I have worked, are manufacturing, medical, media, retail, and construction, and much more. And also the clients are from abroad and both from India also. So it made me more confident, and also the communication skills are also better. So it is a good experience totally working with Apagen Solutions, and I am looking forward for the future years, which help me in my professional growth also. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.